Discipline is the foundation of success, strength, and wisdom. The Stoics knew that without discipline, greatness is impossible. Today, we uncover the timeless wisdom of the Stoics to master the art of discipline in our lives. Discipline begins with self-control. Marcus Aurelius once said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." True discipline comes from within, from mastering your impulses and emotions. Temptations will always exist. But as Marcus Aurelius advised, you don't have to turn this into something. It doesn't have to upset you. Mastering discipline means resisting instant gratification for long-term gains. Discipline is strengthened in solitude. The Stoics often withdrew from distractions to reflect and grow. Take time to be alone, think deeply, and refine your principles. Discipline is a lonely road, but greatness is never found in comfort. The Stoics walked their own path, unfazed by the opinions of others. Forge your own way with relentless focus. A disciplined mind is a growing mind. The Stoics read, studied, and reflected daily. Never stop learning, for knowledge is power. Discipline is not a punishment, it is a path to freedom. It is the tool that turns dreams into reality. The Stoics mastered it, and so can you. If you found this video valuable, subscribe for more Stoic wisdom.